Been hearing a lot of rumors and a lot of buzz about this auto-enroll technology for a courses app. Can you explain that? Can you explain that a little bit? Like what goes into auto-enroll? How does it work?
Yes, 100%. So here we are at the SamCart course library page, right? So the SamCart courses app has this feature called AutoEnroll, where basically your customers are going to buy from you and then go right into your membership area and get right to what they bought. Like so simply, so quick. Everybody who's ever sold before knows like that customers, 30% or more of your customers just get lost because these other tools for selling just have like all these steps in between buying and actually getting into the content, right? So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to help your customers go right from this page here where they're actually going to buy something from you. Okay. And they're going to fill out their order at the bottom. They're going to purchase other stuff, using SamCart order bumps and stuff. And then we're going to send them right into the membership area. So previously, right, SamCart usually sends to something like this. We call this the order summary page. Okay. And so if you use the order summary page, it's great. SamCart makes it for you. You don't have to worry about anything. And they can click on this Get Started Now button to go check out their courses. But if I go back, and let me go ahead and switch screens, I'll go back and show you guys the product settings specifically for how to do this inside. So now we're back over inside of SamCart. I can show you guys how to switch over to AutoEnroll. Okay, so if you have a course already made in the courses app, if you have assigned a product to it, okay, I'm going to open up the product inside of SamCart that people are going to buy. And then I'm just going to scroll down, right, and choose this order redirect dropdown. And so because this product is assigned to something in the SamCart courses app, which we've got other videos to show how to do that, you can choose to use the order summary I just showed you, a custom URL, and send them anywhere you want, or you can use course auto-enroll. So I'm going to click course auto-enroll. I'm going to save my changes, and then let's actually show you guys how easy this is for your student. And so now here I am as a customer buying, and I want you guys to see what the customer is going to experience. I've already put in my credit card information, everything. I'm at the bottom of the page. Maybe your customer choose to buy, one or two other products as order bumps, right? Very, very powerful feature from SamCart. But here's what auto-enroll does for a first-time student. I'm going to click on enroll now, and SamCart's going to send them to one interstitial page, just very, very simple. All my information is already filled out, and all I have to do is enter a password, okay? Enter a password twice, make sure it's the same in both fields. If you're a returning customer, you don't even see this page. You skip right past it, right? No password, no forgot password, no verify your email, right? No need to get multiple different emails and click on different links if I buy more than one thing. I just click create my account, and I'm right inside of your members area with access to both of the products that I bought, right? So it's super easy for first-time customers. It is even easier for returning customers, which means you have happier people who get access to what they bought, and it is just an awesome, awesome feature that we built in.